Have you ever sat under the night sky and wondered to yourself, is my company's industry eligible for Google local services ads? Well, you're in luck because we're going to answer this age-old question. Well, if you're in the home services, you shouldn't be surprised to see that that industry is the biggest category for LSA eligibility. I mean, just check out this list. And the next biggest category would be professional services in real estate, finance, and law. Google also added 5 new verticals for services for education, people care, pet care, wellness, and healthcare. Now, if you don't see your business type listed, don't worry. Google is always adding new categories for LSA eligibility. For example, solar energy contractor was just added by them. Don't know what LSA is? Well, here's a little crash course.
This is Crash Course with Zach.
LSA is short for local services ads. When you search for a business type on Google, you might see these little dudes pop up. These are ads for people who are looking for local service providers. And that was it for this installment of
This is Crash Course with Zach.
Well, if you want to learn more about LSA and any other related topics, check out these other videos we've made and learn more about it. And also important, stay tuned at the end of the month because we are going to do a live Q&A with our resident LSA expert, Peter Simpson. He's been doing work in LSA and Google since 2016. So if you have a question, he's definitely got an answer.